Ken, it's great to have you. And a lot of these names have already moved up quite substantially on the pandemic work from home trade. Where do you think is the most opportunity today?
We still see a multi-year secular change, which has been really positive for home furnishing, up 30%. We've had a pause this summer on whether consumers will shift to leisure or services. But you know what? The wealth effect, the enjoyment of work, live, and play in the home means on the demand side, households are flush with cash and they're fixing their homes. And home furnishings, including bedding, is a big opportunity for the industry, better than ever before, certainly before the pandemic.
Why is that? Because especially as we've seen costs go up, we have supply chain shortages and issues. So I understand that demand may be high, but is it high enough to compensate for all of that?
Everybody's talking about the housing market. And even though 296 million people, households don't move, they realize their homes are worth more. And if they're hybrid or remote employees today, and they're part of the affluent sector, they're fixing up their homes. And lifestyle becomes important. There's a shift in terms of making your home perhaps more contemporary or coastal or transitional. So I'm fine with the demand side. The real issues we have is on the supply side, as we've seen across different industries.
Absolutely. So, while we have those concerns, can you still like names like Restoration Hardware? I imagine they are enjoying pretty healthy profit margins right now, as they've, anybody who aims at that price point certainly is. But also Wayfair, Tempur Sealy. Why is a name like Wayfair not hit more? They're seen as kind of a low-cost destination, so they have to keep costs low, number one, to be competitive. Number two, it's a delivery business, and we know the challenges that they face.
It's an e-commerce platform. It's really going for that part of the segment that doesn't want to go to Target or Walmart for furniture. But when you look at the brick and mortar retailers, there's opportunities to do it better. Their customer base has grown literally from 20 million in 2019 to 35 million today and growing. So it fulfills kind of the mass market, touching near affluent, and they have a good formula that works.